everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you how I did these 3 lovely home decors. And here are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Everything will be listed down below for you guys to see what they are and where I got them from. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we're going to start with this mat that we have here. This placemat. It's a mesh placemat I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using some crushed glass along with some Mod Podge. And we're just going to be placing it all over our plate mat. And now I'm adding some glitter to the placemats because I know the crushed glass is not going to stick everywhere. I'm trying to get it as much as possible. So I just add the glitter to give it an extra shine. And when I'm all done, I'm going to set it aside to dry, maybe for about an hour. And then I'll add some more Mod Podge going over the top of the crushed glass to help seal it in. And then set it down to dry for a few more hours. Now for DIY number 2, I have these small round vase and the candle holders from the Dollar Tree, which I previously put the crushed glass on the candle holders. I'll leave a card up above so you guys can see how I did it in case you didn't. I have another video where I put the crushed glass on. So now I am going to add some hot glue to the vase to make our candle holder. And of course, remember, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use for your project. And now I'm going to add some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, going around where the vase and the candle holder meet, because you could see the glue. So I'm just adding some bling wrap to make it look more neat. And now I'm just going to continue adding our pieces together to make our glam candle holder. And now for DIY number 3, we have this vase here. I've had gems on it because I had it for a previous project. So now I'm going to add these strips, these bling strips that I got from Walmart. I think they are so nice in the turquoise and silver color. I'll be on my Instagram, going through my Instagram. I come across your page. You say that you don't need men, but I'm seeing all these different men. So I'm just going to add 4 strips going around our vase. But it looks like you need me now, you need me now. Girl, why is it so hard to tell me the truth? You didn't want me, no. All the little pieces that I had cut off from the top, I'm just going to attach them going right around the bottom. And now our vase is all done. I'm going to take my bling gems that I got from Totally Dazzled. And these gems are so nice, easy to use. Now some of them have a clip on the back like this, but they're so easy to come off. You just take a little tool and just twist and they pop right off, no trouble. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue the gems to our vase. And now our placemat is all dry, so we are going to complete DIY number 1. We're going to use this vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to wrap the plate mat going right around the vase, and I'll be using some hot glue to hold it together. I'll be gluing down one side, and then I'll glue on the other side, but each time I'm gluing it down, you have to hold it in place because the glue is still hot, so it won't stick. It will slide back off if you don't hold it until it's dry. So just hold it for a few minutes. Each time you add glue to it, make sure it's dry and everything will be just fine. And here are 3 glam DIYs. I love how they turned out. I think they look absolutely beautiful. And our gems from Totally Dazzled just add that added touch of glam to anything that you add them to. Absolutely beautiful. This vase here, oh, with the turquoise and the silver, very nice. And our plate mat vase, isn't that beautiful? With the crushed glass and everything on it, and then just one Totally Dazzled gem. Absolutely beautiful. Just makes everything just stand out, look elegant and nice. And our candle holder looks very nice too. Very nice candle holder with the crushed glass, the gems, everything just ties in nicely together for a lovely piece of home decor. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIYs that I did, the 3 glam DIYs using our lovely gems from Totally Dazzled. Yes. Leave me a comment down below, tell me which one was your favorite, which one you liked the best. And I hope you guys pressed that like button. Give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. And if you're still here, I have a giveaway. Yes, I'm having a giveaway. I'll be giving away a $25 gift card for Totally Dazzled. Yeah, you can go on the site and purchase anything you want worth $25 of merchandise. You know those gems, OMG, the bling gems, or if you want a bling wrap, you can purchase whatever you want. Alright, it's a giveaway, and let me tell you what the rules are for this giveaway. You have to like this video, give me a thumbs up, be subscribed to my channel. Also, you have to subscribe to Totally Dazzled YouTube channel. The link will be below. And the giveaway is going to run until May 31st. And you have to comment down below bling gems. Yeah, just comment bling gem once you go over and subscribe to Totally Dazzled. Then you come back and say bling gems. I hope you got that. Once again, the rules are: like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Totally Dazzled YouTube channel also, and it ends May 31st, and comment below bling gems. And the link to Totally Dazzled's YouTube channel is in the description box. And don't forget to go over and subscribe to Totally Dazzled, then you come back and say bling gems. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY that I had to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.